Hey, this is Simi Lolu here, and yes, I am on the road. I am driving, so I'll try my best not to look at the screen, keep my eye on the road. And yes, so in this cryptocurrency space on this video, I just want to put in a good word for the cryptocurrency market right now. For those of you who've been in cryptocurrency for a little while, I mean, things have definitely been super volatile on this whole cryptocurrency space. And of course, that's one of the characteristics of cryptocurrency, is super volatile. It's not like your fiat currency, your dollar, your pound sterling, or whatever your currency is, where, you know, $1, for instance, will purchase you so many things. Let's say it purchases you 3 items in the grocery store. You're not going to go in the next day and all of a sudden your $1 can only purchase one of those items. It doesn't happen like that overnight. Not so with cryptocurrency. That can be the case. You could spend $100 purchasing one crypto coin today, and tomorrow you may need $300 to purchase that same coin. So look at it this way: it's super volatile. The value of your coin can go down, and so also it can go up. And that is how you, if you have been in this space for a while, you'll notice, you know, there's a lot of press about people becoming millionaires overnight. Because imagine, you know, you pick up a coin, 1,000 of a certain coin because it's so cheap, and then by the next day it's appreciated 1,000%, you know, so that's a lot of money. That's 10 times, it's double 10, it's appreciated 10 times. The market right now, the cryptocurrency market right now is a buyer's market. So I would say go out there and buy. That is what I am doing. That's what I was doing last night, figuring out how I could buy different coins from different exchanges. What else can I say? Really, several things. You don't want to put in more than, well, this is the general school of thought out there. You don't want to put in more than 5% of your investment portfolio. I can look at the screen now because I'm in my driveway. You don't want to do that. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Yes, you don't want to put in more than 5% of your investment portfolio for obvious reasons. The most you can lose will be 5% of your investment portfolio. Again, if you want to be a little more aggressive, like I have been over the past couple of months, I have put in more than 5%, but that is because of, I mean to be aggressive with my investment in cryptocurrency. So what I will say is, try it out. There's a link in the description box below that will give you a free account on Coinbase. So that is a cryptocurrency exchange. It's a good place to start. It's where I started. And you can purchase, I think it's up to 4 coins, Bitcoin being the main one, Ethereum being another one, and Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, I believe. Yes, so try it out. Buy $10 worth, buy 10 euros worth. And don't sit on the fence. Whatever you do, don't sit on the fence. Don't turn this video on and say, oh, that's a good video, it's good for her. No, cryptocurrency is a currency of the whole world. You have to buy into it. It's better you buy into it now than later. So you're not one of those thinking, if only I had, if only I had. Some are projecting that 1 Bitcoin, which today, as of today, was priced at about $11,000 a coin. Some are predicting by the end of 2018 that 1 Bitcoin will be worth up to $50,000. I don't know either, but I don't want to be at the end of this year thinking, if only I had bought, if only I had bought. So click on the link, purchase your Bitcoin. If you do purchase up to $100 worth of Bitcoin, you will get $10 credited to your account. And I will get $10 credited to my account. So that's a little incentive for you. And right there, you've made 10% on your, is that 10%? Yes. You've made 10% on your $100 investment. You know, you're not getting that in your banks. I know that. So give it a try and follow me. Like my video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, as I will be putting out more videos for you as you continue on this your cryptocurrency journey. Happy investing and have an awesome day.